This is the west coast of Lake Pontchartrain. And if you see it's so large that you don't see the other side. And that is the swamps to the south. The Gulf of Mexico is about what, like 6-7 miles, somewhere in there. It's a beautiful place. Come and visit. Just don't swim in that water. There's a lot of alligators in that water. They will consume you. No questions asked. Now, I have swim in that lake. If you see those buildings way up there in the distance, that used to be a restaurant. And some new houses they built. And I used to go to that restaurant and have a nice meal and then go swimming at the boat ramp. I used to work on that side of the bridge where that tower is, on this exit coming up. And I knew it was alligators there, and we swim out there anyway. We made a lot of splashes and stuff. Maybe that helped, but they sometimes come to the boat ramp and you can see them on the bottom of the water looking. Notice there is a construction crew up there on the bottom working on the rail. On the rail, the trains goes on the bottom, so they really close to the water. So they fixing the infrastructure. And that in the distance is the place that I used to swim at. They're rebuilding the rail. The rail is completely washed. Completely washed. And I am now entering St. John's Parish, leaving Jefferson Parish. It's a traffic jam on the other side. Now, this is Laplace coming up. And Laplace was one of the most damaged cities that I saw on television, but so far I don't see any damage whatsoever. The signs are still up, the mile markers are up, so in my opinion, I don't know what they were showing on television. They must show just selected places where there's a lot of damage and try to show the world the whole world came to end. But on my eyes, if those trees are standing up, buildings are standing up, the place that I used to swim at, I can see the roof, so that means there is a standing up. And this is where the eye of the hurricane came through, right here, where I am right now, in Laplace. There is Laplace and there is Reserve. That is Laplace, right there. Mile 209. And I'm very familiar with this place because I used to work here. For about a year, I think I worked out here. And during Katrina, I was in that building that you see, the hotel. And that pilot, the fuel stop, was completely covered with waters, and alligators were there. Alligators were swimming all over the place. The pilot's still up, they're still selling fuel. That Waffle House, I spent many moons on that Waffle House. And yes, you see damage on top of the roof of the hotel, but still standing. See the trees? Yes, it is damaged, but it's not like completely wiped out. It's just damage. And this is where the eye came through, right here. And you see houses in the distance in Laplace, completely with the roof on. So yeah, you see damage, but no devastation, just damage. Look at all the houses. They all have the roof on. You see a lot of blue tarps, but not completely devastation. Look at that one, have no roof at all. Yes, you have some isolated damage, no doubt about that. I expected to see nothing, like in Katrina. Well, rain is coming up and I almost exit the hallway. I gotta go to work. Hopefully you enjoy. Saludos.